Hi everyone, I'm Dave, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the Poetic Devices Practice Activity Generator on Learnt AI. So you can use this if you are generating activities around various poetic devices, similes, metaphors, alliteration, onomatopoeia, anything really, hyperbole, anything that springs to mind. So there's three fields that we need to input. This is one of the tools that can be found within the teaching section under the tools menu here. Three inputs that we're looking for: the poetic device that you're looking for the practice activity to be generated against, the complexity level of that exercise that you're looking for in terms of the exercise, so let's say beginner, and then if there's a preferred activity context. So this just gives a little bit of flexibility around the types of activities that pop out. So if we say adventure-based, Venture Island, it could be anything that springs to mind. Select generate, and there you have it. So we have discovering adventure island similes, read the example simile carefully. Now create your own, comparing adventure island to something else. Think about characteristics, qualities, experiences you associate with adventure island. Gives you opportunity that you can copy it, you can save the copy and paste it into your Word document. Try to create at least 3 more similes, comparing adventure island to different things. Be creative. Share your additional similes with your partner or group. So it varies, and then reflect on the exercise. So let's try a different one. So if we in space, and this one says a spaceship is soared through the galaxy like a shooting star. Your task is to create your own similes about space using the following prompts. Describe a planet using a simile, compare a rocket launch to something in nature, depict a meteor shower using a simile. So it will generate different things, and that's what this activity context is designed to do, is to give you a little bit of flexibility in the generated content that pops out. You can change this. We could say metaphor, keep it as beginner, keep it in space just to give you an idea. And here we have it. Read the following example of metaphor in space-themed context. Stars are diamonds in the sky. Identify a metaphoric element in the example. Hint, focus on the comparison between the two different things. Now think about the space-related concepts or objects that you can compare to something else. For example, you can compare planets to various objects or ideas such as emotions, animals, or colours. And then it gives some exercises. So this is for anyone, I suppose, teaching poetry, anyone teaching the impact of various poetic devices and how they can be used to make your writing more creative. So have a play around and let me know what you think.